Very good afternoon to all who continuously watch my videos. So, as you all know that in these days we are going to discuss about the first chapter of class 10th social science, the rise of nationalism in Europe. In our last topic, we discussed about the age of revolution which took place nearly 1830 to 1848. As you all know that in our last topic we discussed that how the people overthrown the conservatism which came to power in 1815 when Napoleon was defeated. So they create again a conservative nations. They again set up a rule of monarch that was overthrown in 1830. Louis Philippe was the ruler of France during that time. He was disposed from his position and he fled from the France. Then after liberal nationalist continuously tried to create a sense of collectiveness within the people. So today we are going to start our topic, the romantic imaginations and national feelings. In this topic we are going to discuss about that how people will aware about the formation of a nation state, and development of nationalism did not come through only war, agitation, revolution or territorial expansion. There were so many other ways which are like sport to the development of nationalism during that time. So there were like so many ways to develop a feeling of nationalism. First was the war, agitation, territorial expansion to expand their boundaries. That was one way to create or to develop in feeling of nationalism within the people of their region. But there were like other ways to create a feeling of nationalism or to create a sense of collectiveness. So now what other things played a crucial role to create a sense of nationalism? That was first culture. Suppose if we shared our culture, so that it means we all are belongs to particular region. So culture was helpful to create a sense of nationalism or a sense of collectiveness. So culture creating a idea of nation. Culture which is like very similar to one to another. Now look at our state Himachal Pradesh, how we all are very similar to each other. Doesn't matter, language changes after 10 kilometer, culture changes after 10 kilometer, but there is some similarity in our culture and the culture who live after 10 kilometer. They all are very similar. Artist and poet, arts and poetry. Now people composed poetry which based on the national feeling. Then art, now they start to depicted a picture, like suppose take an example of Bharat Mata picture which give us a message that we all are the Indians and we are the part of our nation, that we respect that picture of Bharat Mata. So art and poetry also played a crucial role to for the development of a national feeling. Then stories and music. Have you heard about the story of so many leaders? Suppose take an example of Bhagat Singh, take an example of Jawaharlal Nehru, take an example of other leaders who lead during the British Empire in India. Mangal Pandey, who was the first revolutionary. So now these were the other things which was crucial to develop a national feeling within the people of that region. So here you have to give like another ideology which based on the development of the national feeling, that was romanticism. So what was the romanticism? Now we are going to discuss about the topic. Now come on the topic, romanticism, what it is exactly. So romanticism, a cultural movement. It was a cultural movement which sought to develop a particular form of national feeling. That it was a cultural movement which was based to create a particular form of national feeling. To create, that means they can try to create a feeling of nationalism, but they had their own ways how to create it within the people. So first, those who were the romantic artists and poets, they were criticized science and reason, glorification of science and reason. Those who were the artists as well as the poets, they directly criticized glorification of science and reason. So now look at them, whom they were talked about how they create this feeling. So romantic artists and poets focused mainly emotion. They were based on the emotion. Romanticism or romantic ideology based on mainly emotion, intuition, what you understand, emotion, intuition, and mystical feelings, which is helpful to create a sense of nationalism or to develop a sense of nationalism. So these are the main three things. First, emotion. Those who were the romanticism or romantic ideology, that romantic ideology was based on emotion that directly connect with our emotions. Suppose whenever we look at our national flag, so respect directly comes within our inner self. That respect can directly come from our inner self, and we give them respect whenever we listen national anthem. So we stop and give our regards to that national anthem. So what it is exactly, these are emotions. We are directly attached with the national feeling through our emotion. So romantic artists, they can try to develop a ideology which was based on emotion, intuition. Try to understand without any hindrance, intuitions, and then mystical feelings. Mystical, there are like so many things which have an example of mystical feelings. Suppose we are the Indians, so we believe in Ramayana, we believe in Mahabharata. So these are the mystical things which help us to unite. जो क्या कर रही है, एक चीज़ हमें हेल्प कर रही है खुद को यूनाइट होने में, ठीक है, मिस्टिकल फीलिंग्स. सो दे वॉन्ट और सपोर्ट द सेंस ऑफ कलेक्टिव nation. They support the idea of collective nation as well as according to them what was that ideas. So foundation of the new states based on the common waste past, common cultural past. And next thing about the romantic ideology, that ideology support the common cultural past. It means how we create a nation state, how we formed a nation state with the respect of the common culture or common cultural past. That it means we go through with that past. So here I want to complete this topic and I want to finish this topic. If you have any problem, doubts regarding the video, so you all can ask me. You can send me a message based on the doubt, and I will also provide you notes of this topic. At the end of the video I will add notes in that this video. So I hope today I want to finish my lecture. Thank you.